Hello everyone, this is Avneet from PlanetSpark. Today we are going to dive into the powerful world of exponents. Ever wondered how to simplify huge numbers in just few steps? That's exactly where Laws of Exponents will help us. In this video, we'll unlock the super useful rules for turning long calculations easy. So stay with me and we would be solving exponents problem like a pro. We'll understand the meaning of exponents, we'll apply the laws of exponents and simplify the expression using same base and different powers. Before we start, let's understand what an exponent is. An exponent, if I write down a number as a raised to the power n, this means a is the base and n is the exponent. If I say n is the exponent or I say n is the power, it is the same thing. It is the same thing, just two ways of saying it. So a raised to the power n means that a would be multiplied n times. Example, 2 raised to the power 3, base is 2, exponent is 3. So this will mean that 2 is going to be multiplied 3 times. So this will become 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. That will give me 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Similarly, 3 raised to the power 4 means 3 is multiplied 4 times. Base is 3, power is 4. So 3 into 3, 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81 is the answer. Laws of exponents. The first law says when the base is same, operation is multiplication, we add the exponents. So this means if the base is same, operation is multiplication, simply add the powers. If I have 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 5, base is same 2, operation is multiplication, my powers would be added. So it will become 3 plus 5. The final answer would be 2 raised to the power 8. Again repeating the rule says if base is same, operation is multiplication, add the powers. A raised to the power m into a raised to the power n gives us a raised to the power m plus n. 4 raised to the power 2 into 4 raised to the power 4. Base is 4. Operation is multiplication. 2 and 4 would be added. My answer would be 4 raised to the power 6. 7 raised to the power 5 into 7 raised to the power 6. Base is 7. Operation is multiplication. So 5 and 6 the powers would be added. Answer will become 7 raised to the power 11. When the base is same, operation is division, we subtract the exponents. So the rule says a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. Base is same, operation is division, simply subtract the powers. Example, 3 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 3 will become 3 raised to the power 4 minus 3, that is 3 raised to the power 1. Further, let's take one more example. 5 raised to the power 7 divided by 5 raised to the power 2. Base is same, operation is division, powers would be subtracted. This will become 7 minus 2, that is 5 raised to the power 5. 100 raised to the power 11 divided by 100 raised to the power 5. Base is 100, operation is division, powers would be subtracted. 11 minus 5 gives 6, so 100 raised to the power 6. Power of the power. If I have two exponents or two powers to the same base, they simply get multiplied. A raised to the power m raised to the power n will become a raised to the power m into n. Let's take an example. 2 raised to the power 3 further raised to the power 4 will become 2 raised to the power 3 into 4. That is going to be 2 raised to the power 12. One more example. Let us take 3 raised to the power 4 further raised to the power 5 will become 3 raised to the power 4 into 5. That is 3 raised to the power 20. Base is same. We have two powers. Just simply multiply two powers. 7 raised to the power 2 further raised to the power 6. That means 7 raised to the power 2 into 6. 7 raised to the power 12. Negative exponent. A very important rule to remember. Whenever you have a negative exponent, simply take the reciprocal. A raised to the power minus m will become 1 upon a raised to the power m. Simply take the reciprocal. 3 raised to the power minus 7 will become 1 upon 3 raised to the power 7. 5 raised to the power minus 3 will become 1 upon 5 raised to the power 3. 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 4, take the reciprocal, it will go in the numerator, will become 2 raised to the power 4. Any number raised to the power 0 any number raised to the power 0 is always 1. So a raised to the power 0 will turn out to be 1. 5 raised to the power 0 will be 1. Minus 20 raised to the power 0 again would be 1. 65 raised to the power 0 is again 1. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1. Any number raised to the power 1 is the same number. A raised to the power 1 will give me A. If I have 5 raised to the power 1, it will give me 5. 3 raised to the power 1 is 3, and so on. So product rule says if base is same, operation is multiplication, add the exponents. Quotient rule says if base is same, operation is division, subtract the exponents. Power rule says if two powers, multiply them. Negative exponent, take the reciprocal. Exponent is 0, answer is going to be 1. Exponent is 1, I'll have the same number. This was what we have done in exponents today. This was Avneet with PlanetSpark. Keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe. To book your free demo, check the link in the bio or simply type pspark.in in your browser. Today, keep watching.